Brother, no.
Marty, did you have any observations in the video we just watched?
Yeah, I noticed that there was no justice for the man. The woman was treated differently.
Your observation is correct actually. The uneven position in the same situation for a man and a woman, which means in short, is gender inequality. Now for you guys watching, do you know what we're gonna talk about today? For today, we will talk about the big problems that the world's goals to solve, which is the SDG. But today, we will only tackle which a student like you can help do. Many students, especially in the Philippines, often face mockery, profanity, and bullying because of their gender. As a student, it is our mission to help solve this cancer of a problem in our country. For example, treating everybody in your class no matter of their gender. Next up, exercising and observing peace and justice in the classroom. We can do this by making decisions together, resolving conflicts rather than punishment, and having mutual respect for each other. And for the last one, reducing inequalities. This problem is the most simplest yet most severe challenge our society ever faced. We can easily solve this by respecting each other's boundary and simply avoid profanity, discrimination, and mockery to classmates. But are these problems can really solved by students?
This requires collective action.
You can!
From schools,
Just spread the word.
local government,
We hope you learned
and the
something and
entire
thanks
community.
for watching. The Sustainable Development Goals are a set of global priorities that matter deeply to us as students because the work of building a better world starts right here in our schools. We can make a real difference by taking action in ways that fit our daily lives. Starting a campus cleanup to protect our environment, setting up peer tutoring to make learning fair for everyone, or growing vegetables in a school garden to explore sustainable food. When we work together with our classmates and teachers, we turn our school into a place where equity, responsibility, and creativity thrive. And we pick up skills that will help us lead positive change later on. Every effort we make, big or small, adds to a movement that's shaping a healthier, more just a future, all of us.
She cried when she said she'd been promised to another man. That's when I left my heart with the girl made in Japan. Yes, my heart will always be with the girl made